Hello everyone, this is Vanilla Peach. Today in this web design series, we are going to be explaining which colors and fonts go together and some helpful tools that can help you. This video will be broken up into two sections, colors and fonts. Alright, the first section I'll be explaining is colors. Colors are everything you see around you. You have brown for your chocolate cereal and green for some indoor succulent plant. But what about the colors you see on a web page? Which colors go together? These are just some of the few questions you ask yourself when you're starting to design a web page. I'll be explaining those to you and some extra tools today. Okay, there are three types of colors: warm colors and cool colors and shades, but we'll not be explaining shades. Warm colors and cool colors are formed by primary colors. You've probably learned that from elementary school, but let's do a review for that. The three primary colors are red, blue, and yellow. When you mix some of these colors, you get secondary colors, like red and blue with purple. Then once you've formed the secondary colors, you get a list with the secondary colors and the primary colors: purple, orange, green, red, yellow, and blue. Now let's go on to what colors go together. There comes in my tool for colors. This tool is a very popular tool that many web designers use, called coolers. Click generate and you get a color palette. Lock the colors by clicking on the toggle lock button. Then click the spacebar to generate some more colors to add to your color palette. Then copy the hex code and you can use them. Now let's talk about the cool colors. I'll be explaining every color. Okay, the first color is blue. It's the color of the sky you see. It represents the wispy winter winds and inspiration. When you see it on a website, it's most likely to be a fitness or meditation website. Now we'll go on to purple. It is often used in websites that have women's or children's products. It represents wealth, extravagance, and luxury. Now let's go on to dark green, then light green is in the warm colors. The dark green color is mostly used in websites with travel or something that's related to eco-friendly items. It represents peace, growth, and harmony. Now let's explore the warm colors. It represents the autumn, spring, and summer feelings. The first color we'll be explaining is a confusing color, which is red. It means anger while also meaning love. When seen on a web page, it is most likely for something passionate. Okay, now to orange and yellow. These colors represent joy and happiness. If either of these colors are seen as the color scheme of a web page, the page will most likely represent or show some sort of joy or happiness. And now to the very last one before the fonts is lime. Now, most people are differently opinionated, but my opinion is that lime is a warm and cold color. Lime also represents happiness. When it's on a web page, the website is mostly related to the economy. Okay, now to fonts. I don't want to go too deep into this section, so I'll just be listing some of the fonts that professional web designers use. Okay, now let's go on to our first font pair, which is Oswald and Quatrencinito. I don't really know how to pronounce that. Let me try again. Quattrocento. You know, my hilarious attempts. Oswald and Quatrencinito is a combo of electrical and classical fonts. It goes beautifully together, and a lot of websites I create have that duo. You can get this font for free on Google Fonts, which has a wide variety of fonts to choose from. Now to Railway and Roboto. To be honest, 2/3 of the websites I see on the internet have this duo. It's popular and modern, so if that's the theme you're going for, I suggest using that duo. Now for a playful duo. Animatic SC and Josephine Sands. This couple has the modern yet playful look when shown on a website. Websites that have a floral or children theme showcase the duo. For our last font, I decided to end up with a real banger. Poppins and Archivo, the best couple out of the three that I've shown you. It has gotten stunning ratings, and any website you probably see has this combo. It is wildly popular and yet so modernly beautiful at the same time. Well, folks, that wraps it up for this video. Please remember to subscribe and like if you liked this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye, it's Vanilla Peach out.